Cordless lawn mower, get more done, faster, with Greenworks electric lawn mowers. This 2.4V push lawn mower provides the power you need with up to 30 minutes of runtime on a fully charged 40Ah battery, varies based on grass condition and operator technique. No load speed, 3,550 RPM, voltage, 24V. 13. Poly deck. The 13. Poly deck on this cordless lawn mower allows for easy maneuverability around your yard. Brushless motor provides more torque, quiet operation, and a longer life. Rust-resistant deck. Versatile, battery-powered lawn mower has a single-lever 5-position height adjustment for the best cut in all environments. The 2-in-1 design allows you to mulch or rear bag grass clippings. Maintenance-free. This walk-behind lawn mower is virtually maintenance-free, with no gas, no oil and no emissions. It starts instantly and is quiet, but delivers gas-like power for your toughest projects. Includes battery-operated lawn mower, comes with grass collection bag, 2.4V 40Ah battery, charger, and operator's manual. 3-year, tool, battery, warranty. Cordless lawn mower, get more done, faster, with Greenworks electric lawn mowers. This 2.4V push lawn mower provides the power you need with up to 30 minutes of runtime on a fully charged 40Ah battery, varies based on grass condition and operator technique.